Got more very unique Microtech knives. This time I spent close to $3,000 and they're pretty unique. Some of them are limited edition. So let's see what they're all about. Let's start with this one, because this one probably my favorite. It's Australian Special Forces knife. I think that's what it says on a lot of listings that have been sold on eBay. And I paid $900 for this thing. Some of them sell for $500, $400, depends of the time and availability. There's few scratches on this one, but this one is so cool. Check this out. It's actually a dagger style knife and it's on screws. Check this out, camo, and there's one, two, I guess 3 blades. Wow, that is just one of a kind dagger knife that has this very unique sheath. That's whenever you put it in, you actually screw it on, and then you have this like a grenade like design. So beautiful. There's the brand name when it was produced in 2016 and a serial number. So this pretty low serial number. Also you got it here, looks like a cup, and there's a rubber in on it, so that way it's a waterproof. So we got it here, hollow handle for whatever you need to store, like fire starting and kindling and whatever else. So yeah, beautiful design. I really love that dagger style knife in camo. So yeah, I know if I would ever use it, but yeah, that looks pretty mean. It's pretty hefty. Love it. One of a kind, that's for sure. Next Microtech knife is actually custom, and they haven't made this one over 20 years, what I was told. So this is a automatic knife, as you can see, with the safety. So usually they don't even come with safety. They usually have automatic safety inside of them. So this one a little bit different. Let me show you. 12 out of 99 Microtech. So there's a safety, there's a button, nothing gonna come out unless we release safety. Boom, has quite nice heat. A really nice perfect blade, as you can see. Don't have any markings on it, so it's like dagger blade with the 2 serrated ends. Nice. So how do we lock it? As you can see, there's a pin right here. You kind of have to fold it to the side and then grab it and you retract it, and then let go of that. Boom, put it on safety. So it's S for safety, F for, I guess, fire. Beautiful, very nice, taken care of knife. Kicks it almost a little bit of a recoil, so nice. Again, just grab it, press it on this thing, reset it, safety. So nice. So yeah, that is very, very unique knife, and also it comes with the sheath like that, so that way you don't press it by mistake, and the safety. So that's kind of nice. It's a bolt clip, pretty soft. Beautiful knife for sure. So this is on safety. So yeah, I really like that one a lot. Kicks out really nice and loud. But again, you gotta be careful with this one. It does not have that automatic safety like the new Microtechs do. So yeah, a really nice knife. This is probably my most expensive knife that I ever bought, or definitely most unique. I really love how it retracts the blade. Okay, next Microtech knife, Jagdkommando G10 composite top standard. All that markings on it. So what's so special about it? As you can see, there's a window breaker, and you have a see-through plastic. There's a signature 421. So this is a quite new knife, much newer one. And what's so unique about this, as you can see, it's like really tough to pull on it, but you can actually see the mechanism of the knife. That's kind of nice and satisfying. I had to buy it because this is definitely one of a kind and very, very unique. A lot of people will appreciate it to see how it kind of works. You see there is a couple of notches in the spring. You kind of can see it, but mostly like a silhouette. I wish it was more transparent, but still very beautiful. Okay, this knife is a little bit more unique. When I first time discovered it, does it say a name for it? Apocalyptic. When I discovered, if I don't know if any of you guys seen a tuna show on Discovery Channel, they have the tool that they test the tuna. They kind of put this special rod that looks like that, and then they take out the meat, and I guess they test the quality of the meat. This is what it looks like to me, so I asked the guy, what is this tool for? This is actually just pretty much to put holes through the body armor. Very, very sharp blade. Just very unique, as you can see, and it has a little hole. There's serial number, and check this out, 9/20/20. So that's when it was made. That's kind of cool that it tells you on a blade when it was made and stuff. So yeah, very, very unique. I don't know, I guess I would call it spike, not really a knife, but yeah, this is just cool. And there's a belt clip. Whoa, that's a tough belt clip. And look at that, you soften it up and then you lock it in so it does not come off. Never seen a belt clip on a knife or a knife pick like that before. So that's an interesting knife, that's for sure, or whatever you want to call it. Also, I really love this giant box for a small knife. Okay, next one, let's see what this thing is all about. This one I bought it just because it's so powerful whenever you press it. Also, I don't have any Microtech knives with the bottom like that. So do you see how much it kicks it out? It still kind of freaks me out a little bit. This is a custom edge, I think it says on the box over here. Custom shape edge. Yeah, I really like that knife. So definitely for like everyday unboxing boxes, you only want to put a little bit of an edge into it so you can control it better, in my opinion, and hook in into the tape better and cut those boxes a little bit better versus the other knife. But just everyday things too. But yeah, check out this spring. I'm gonna hold it just with 2 fingers. Do you see that? That's insane. Like 2 fingers right here, maybe like 3 fingers on the bottom. Do you see how much recoil there is? You kind of have to hold this knife so it doesn't fly away from you. But it feels so good to open it and close this knife. To close it, same thing, you gotta press it and then close it. But yeah, again, just 3 fingers. Do you see that recoil? Incredible. That is nice. Really love the holes design. Thick blade, as you can see. Yeah. When it was made in 2019. I really like that Microtech puts the date on the actual blade, so that way you don't have to wonder, it's all the information says on the blade. Very cool. There's a clip, window breaker. Very powerful spring in there. Very fun to open it and close it. And yeah, there you go, another $3,000 worth of knives of Microtech